Biogas in Serbia. Could you give us an overview of the market?
Yeah, we have built around 22 megawatts of biogas plants, and we have another 25 that has been authorized by government to be built in the following years. Means that it's guaranteed by government that they will get 12 years of initiatives on feedin tariff and electricity support that has been produced for biogas.
What is the current feedin tariff?
It's about 18 cents, around 18 cents, depends on the size of the unit. So for 1 megawatt it's a little bit less, for less than 1 megawatt it's a little bit more than 18 cents per kilowatt hour. It's quite good. It's only about that we have it, it's going to expire in a few weeks. So it's end, but we expect the government will extend it for another year, and then in 2020 they will make the new one that will, because biogas in Serbia is practically, and potential that it has in Serbia is not used. It's only a few percent at the moment that has been used actually.
Are there any support systems also for biomethane, and what could be the potential for these in the country comparable to Italy?
Oh, right. It's comparable with Italy only with the potential of biomethane that can be used or produced. There is no feed-in tariff. There are no regulation about the biomethane. We have very good gas infrastructure in Serbia that is used at the moment only for natural gas. So if we make these regulations there is nothing to be invented new, it's just to use the one that is already existing in European Union, is something that we can really do, and then we can have more biomethane, or we can start with biomethane plants to be built on the existing one and on the new one as well.
Are there still obstacles to overcome?
Yeah. Well, what I can say first is that we in Serbia don't have unsuccessful stories, which is quite good because it's only 22 megawatts. And then if you have one or two mistakes, it can be very bad for the whole market. So all plants that has been built are running well. We have over 8,000 hours, running hours per year. Now we have the first one is over 60,000, so they changed the engine. So talking about the obstacles, it's more on regulation. It's more on financial support that still we have seen as an obstacle is the banks that still have very high interest rates. So we don't have actually support from that financial sector, if I may say. And then you have potential, you have everything ready, but there is no financial sector that can follow. They still see Serbia is not EU member, it's candidate, and that can be the reason, but still I think the risks are not so high as it is recognized maybe from these financial institutions in Serbia.